Hello everyone, my name is Jordan with the McWane Science Center, and welcome to SciSparks. In today's episode, we'll be exploring the shocking physics behind Tesla coils. And be sure to stick around toward the end, because the finale isn't something you want to miss. Nikola Tesla had an idea: to power the world wirelessly. In 1891, he invented a device that he had hoped would do just that. The result of his labor was the not so creatively named Tesla coil. Tesla coils are made up primarily of two components, a primary and a secondary coil, each with its own capacitor. The primary coil is hooked up to a high voltage power source, where the capacitor soaks up the charge. Eventually, enough of a charge is built up in which the electricity can overcome a gap of air, called a spark gap, between the two coils. The extreme amount of voltage flows across the gap into the secondary coil. The electricity then goes back and forth between the two coils, several hundred times per second. When the secondary capacitor builds up enough of a charge, the electricity breaks free in a beautiful display of sparks. But just how can this device power things wirelessly? Well, the high frequency voltage spewing out of the top of the coil is often enough to overcome the resistance of air and power things up to several feet away. Take this light bulb, for example. All I must do is bring it close to the top load, and it lights up. If the science works, why weren't these widely used to provide wireless electricity everywhere? Well, there's a few reasons for that. First and foremost, it's loud. They're also pretty dangerous, as anything that comes too close to the top will get a hearty zap. The flow of electricity is also pretty easy to block. For example, all it takes is moving my hand in between the light bulb and the coil to cause it to turn off. Tesla coils may not have ever found a solid use in today's society, but they have revolutionized other technologies that use electromagnetic fields and wave technology. But even if the practical application isn't there, they're still pretty fun to look at, especially when we scale them up a bit. These are some of the largest tandem Tesla coils in the southeastern United States. At full power, they can produce well over 1 million volts of electricity. Let's fire them up and check it out. Alrighty. In 3, 2, 1. Thank you for watching this episode of SciSparks. If you liked what you saw today, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. And if you have any suggestions about what we should do in the future, leave a comment down below. Until next time,